This might be it. Worth investigating. Keywords. That's what you need. And she's throwing out a lot of good keywords
Today,
here.
I went in search of a very important substance. It's called nattokinase. I went to my nearest city and I went to several health food stores looking for it. And why is nattokinase so important? Well, according to several doctors I've been listening to, it may be one of the only substances that can break down spike proteins. Yeah, those proteins that human cells are creating that get anywhere and everywhere in the body and cause damage and inflammation. Yeah, there's a substance called nattokinase derived from fermented soybeans. And so I have to take this. I have to try this substance. I have to find it, and I could not find it. I could not find it at the health food stores. I was really disappointed. I want to know how accessible this supplement is. I did find something similar. I've been doing a lot of reading, and serrapeptase is similar in function to nattokinase and may work synergistically with nattokinase. So I went to the health food store and I was talking to one of the ladies and I asked her about nattokinase and she says, no, we don't carry it, but she had been watching a video on how to make it. And she was going to make some and put it in a vegetable dip or something, probably to help people, without letting them know that she's helping them. I don't know. That's just something I would do, but okay. The other thing that she told me that's really interesting is that if you take K2, this is D3 with K2 because K2 allows for the absorption of D3. Anyways, K2, according to her, is derived from nattokinase. So possibly if you take K2, you are taking nattokinase, or I don't know for sure. I haven't verified that, but it may be another way to get nattokinase is to take K2. I don't know. I have to look into it. Yeah, so I picked up some supplements that counteract the spike proteins. So fennel seed. I've been drinking fennel seed tea, and fennel seed is supposed to counteract the spike protein. But we really need to get rid of the spike proteins because they're in human tissues, causing damage. They damage the delicate capillary networks as they travel through the bloodstream. They damage the brain. They damage the heart. They damage the spleen, the bone marrow, wherever this ends up. And you know what? There's no control on where this ends up. You get injected with something containing who knows how many lipid nanoparticles, and that transports the messenger RNA, which is basically instructions for your cells to create spike proteins. Now, spike proteins are way, way, way smaller than the virus, and therefore they can get more places in the body, places where you may not want spike proteins, because this was a stupid experiment. They didn't study any long-term effects. They didn't study any effects on anything, like cancer rates, heart issues, long-term, short-term, medium-term. They didn't do proper studies, okay? I can tell you that for fact, okay? For a fact. They did not study this properly, and we went too far. Asking the body to create a foreign protein is going too far. It's messing with nature too much. Kind of like Jurassic Park. When you mess with nature too much, you regret it. And we're going to regret this because we have a lot of neurological damage, heart damage, all kinds of damage. I see it all around me. My own dad, my own clients, people all around me have issues with blood clots, neurological issues that they didn't have before the mass rollout of this fuckery. It's fuckery. It's horrible. It's horrible what we've done to the human population. So what we need to look for solutions. And if nattokinase, an enzyme derived from fermented soybeans, can help get rid of, dissolve these spike proteins, we have to look into this. We have to. And why? Because children have received this. So we have to look for solutions. We cannot give up on solutions. Whew. Okay, so there's a lot more to say here, but yeah, I'm gonna look into how to make nattokinase. That's my next journey. I'll let you know how that goes, but I just can't believe the world some days. I can't believe we're here dealing with this mess. I don't want to be dealing with this mess, but we got to deal with this mess, and I'm really thankful to have learned about nattokinase. So thank you for listening. Have a good night. Bye-bye. Today...
Right, also vitamin C, selenium, magnesium. Alright, that's a whole year of research here. This nattokinase, it is hard to find, but look into it. There's keywords, and I have some fennel here, and I'm pretty sure that's why I haven't been infected by the people who've had it. Please, 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 please,